Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 subject Mathematics, lecture number 6 of this chapter number 11 construction. In this we will see question number 6 of the exercise 11.1, in which draw a triangle ABC with side BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree and angle A equal to 105, means 105 degree Celsius given. Sorry, Celsius we don't have to say, degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So as in solution regularly we write, first we write data, what is given. Triangle ABC is given with the measures BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 45 and angle equal to 105 degree. To construct next triangle, new triangle we want, that is triangle PBQ we will draw with 4 by 3 times scale factor. Its scale factor will be 4 by 3 times because given in a question. Means 3 ratio is the given triangles ratio triangle ABC and 4 ratio triangle will be the new triangle which we are going to draw, about which the construction is. So start construction with the given line segment BC equal to 7 cm. If I start this way, 7 cm BC will draw. BC of 7 cm drawn. Right? Now, an angle B 45 degree we want. That we will draw. How to draw 45 degree? Again, in the previous class, we have seen how to draw different angles. So to make 45 degree, we need 90's half is 45. 90 degree angle we will draw first. How to draw 90 degree? Take arbitrary radius this way and draw this way an arc. The big arc we have to draw. As we have seen in last lecture, if I draw from here to this will be of 60 degree angle making arc, and if we go ahead this way, it will be 120 degree angles arc will be 0 degree angle, 60 degree angle and 120 degree angle. And that also the fact we know, 60 degree angle and between 120 degree angle and 60 degree we have 90 degree. So one arc we will draw from 60 degree arc here, and we will intersect that arc by drawing the another arc which will be from 120 degree. So this way doing, we get the angle between 60 and 120, and 60 and 120, between that, between 60 and 120, 90 degree angle we will get. So our aim is not 90 degrees, so we will draw it some faded or broken line also you can show this way. Our aim is to draw 45 degree angle. So 45 degree angle is the bisector of 90 degree angle. How to draw 90 degrees bisector? This is 0 degree angle we will say, this is 60 degree angle we will say, this is 120, this point is called 90 degree angle. So between 0 and 90 our angle is 45. So from 0 we will draw an arc here, this side, and from 90 angle, this angle is 90 degree angles point. From here we will cross this, and if we join this from B, it will give 45 degree angle this way. This ray Vx suppose, or Vy you say, Vy is making angle 45 degree angle we got. And now this on 45 degree angle, the A point will be, but the length is not given. Angle A is also given, angle A is measure, but the A point we don't have here. So how to draw angle 105? This is the twist here. You can understand that if you will draw BC is given, okay, we have drawn 7 angle on a B 45 degree angle also drawn. Now how to draw angle A 105? Because the A point is not here we have. For that, the fact we know that we will use here, you know that in triangle ABC, in ninth standard you were having one theorem that angle of sum of three angles of the triangle, you know that triangle ABC, if we have all three angles sum will be 180. That fact we have to use here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. This is the fact we know. In that angle A is 105 plus B is 45 plus C we don't know, that we will find here first. So angle C equals to 180 and sum of these two will be 150 minus 150 will be here. 180 minus 150 is 30. So angle C is 30 degree angle. If I draw on C point we have, on C point if I draw angle 30, it will intersect the 45 making angle and there will be the A point. It will be automatically 105. So this is the extra work in this construction we have, that we have to understand, as we cannot draw angle A 105 because A point is not there but C point is here. So on C how much angle we have to draw, we can get this way. Now is the question is how to draw angle C 30 degree angle. So again we will first draw the 60 degree angle, taking the rounder point on C, taking some arbitrary radius. This way we have drawn an arc, and if I draw this way it will be of 60 degree arc. This is 0 degree arc, this is 60 degree arc. We need 30, so it will be between 0 and 60. So from 0 we will draw here an arc, and from 60 we will cross this arc. It will give the bisector of 60 degree angle, and from through C point to this intersection of two arcs we will draw an arc this way, the another one. This is making 30 degree with C angle. So where the 45 degree and 30 degree angles are intersecting, put their name A. So as you can understand, if it is 45 degree, it is 30 degree, it will be automatically angle A is 105, which is the given triangle actually we have got. Now the new triangle we want, that is triangle PBQ you want, and it is 4 by 3 times of the given triangles. 4 by 3 means 3 is the given triangles ratio ABC and 4 will be the new one. So 4 is bigger than the given, so we have to extend BC this side. This side we will extend BC, and this side BA is extended already because of the ray. Now the same work as we were doing in the last lecture. We will draw a ray here which is making acute angle with BC. This way I draw ray BX I have drawn, which is angle making acute angle making CBX. And on that how many arcs we have to get? How many arcs? 4 and 3. 4 arcs total. Bigger number is 4, so 4 arcs we will show on this BX. Taking some arbitrary radius, suitable radius, starting from B, the rounder point, we will get 4 arcs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is, and give this as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now in denominator 3 means given ratio is 3 and given triangle ABC, given ratio B3 and given triangles point C, we will join B3C this way. And the new triangle having ratio 4, so we will draw a parallel line passing through B4 and it will be parallel to B3C. How to draw that we have seen in previous lectures, that way only. Put your rounder on B3, take some arbitrary length of radius and draw this way an arc which is intersecting ray BX and B3C both, and the same length of radius we have to take, and now the rounder point should be on B4, and similar way we have to draw the arc. Don't be confused that it is intersecting the another things. You have to draw it as we have drawn from B3, similar way from B4 rounder point taking, by the same length we have to draw. Now what we do, we take the length between the arcs which is intersection point of BX and B3C. So these two points are there. We will put your rounder here, one rounder point and pencil point stretch up to this point of the arc which is intersecting B3C. This much of length is taken. Now rounder point you take on this arc point and intersect the previously drawn arc here, and now join this intersection point and B4. This will be the parallel to B3C and intersecting BC, ray BC at some point, say P point. Now next is we will draw a parallel line through P, passing through P, and it will be parallel to CA. So parallel to CA can be drawn two way. You can make 30 degree on this P point to BP, or you can draw as usually in last lectures we have done. So we are following the last lectures construction steps. In that we have seen, take some arbitrary length and draw an arc this way, which is intersecting BC and CA in two distinct points. And similar arc we draw taking the rounder on point P. Similar way the arc we will draw. Then we will take the length between these two arcs, which is intersecting BC at some point and AC at some point. This way we take the length in between, and by the same length we will intersect the drawn arc. Now the intersection point we have here and the point P here, join them, and joining them draw a ray, extend it towards BA, BY ray. Where it is intersecting BA ray, there you give the name as Q. So the new triangle PBQ is formed, which is the required triangle. So this way, very simply, this also we have constructed. Now we will write the steps of it. So steps again, the first as it is, that construct triangle ABC with the given measures. In given measures, how to draw the triangle, that we have seen here. So no need of writing is again and again. We will just write that the triangle ABC with the given measures we have drawn. So first step is construct triangle ABC with given measures. Next step, what we have done, ray BX. So construct ray BX such that angle CBX is less than 90. And on ray BX, how many arcs we have taken? 4 arcs, because 4 is bigger number. Construct 4 arcs, say B1, B2, B3 and B4 on ray PX with constant radius. Means same radius. Don't change the radius when you are drawing this arcs. Then given triangle is ABC we have, and given ratio is 3 we have. So we will join B3 and C, because C point is of the given triangle point and B3 is the ratio of given triangle. So join B3 C. Then next what you have to do, we will draw B4P, which is parallel to B3C, and PQ, which is parallel to CA. So construct B4P and line segment PQ such that B4P is parallel to B3C and PQ is parallel to CA. Thus, the triangle PBQ we have now, and it is required triangle. Triangle PBQ is required triangle. Right? Thank you.